What's up, guys? Quick video today to finally address an annoying function on my 3rd gen 4Runner, and that's the daytime running lights. I'm certain that some of you might actually enjoy this functionality and this feature, but for me, it just serves no purpose. Number one, I don't need my headlights running all the time. And number two, at times it's extremely inconvenient, whether I'm pulling into a dark neighborhood or pulling up somebody's house and I don't want my headlights shining in, or many other cases, I want to be able to control my headlights. Now, I don't need my LEDs running all the time. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to easily disconnect your daytime running lights on a 1999 or 2000 3rd gen 4Runner. If you have different model years of a 3rd gen 4Runner, the answer will not be in this video. So look elsewhere. This is my 2000 and this is how I'm getting it done. So thanks for watching. Hope it helps. Headlights are in the off position. DRLs are active and engaged. All right, so this is gonna be quick. All you have to do to disable your daytime running lights is come in behind the driver's side headlight and you will find this gray connection point. Just disconnect it and you're done. Now this box right here is connected to your body by a 10mm bolt. I found it easier to go ahead and remove that bolt so that I could extract this box straight up through the battery area in between the headlight and the battery so that I can get a better look at that connection point that we need to go ahead and disconnect. So here's a look at the connection from the pigtail, and as you can see, that little area where my thumbnail is, that's what you're going to want to compress down. I used a very small flathead screwdriver to compress down and pull away the two connection points from one another. And there you go. When all is said and done, your connection should now look like that. And there you have it. Engine's running, headlights are in the off position, and no daytime running lights. Success.